If you've ever mixed a song that sounded perfect in your room and then completely fell apart in your car, this video is for you. Because today, we're breaking down the top 7 studio monitors that actually tell you the truth. Not the hyped, boosted, look how big the bass is kind of truth, but the kind that reveals every mistake, every brilliance, every single detail you've worked so hard to create. From affordable near-fields to high-end, handcrafted monsters, every model here has earned its spot. Let's start with something small, sharp, and shockingly honest. Number 7. Edifier MR4, the budget truth teller. At number 7 sits a pair that completely redefines what budget studio monitors can do, the Edifier MR4. Now, when you first unbox these, they don't scream luxury. No glossy veneers, no gimmicks, just clean MDF cabinets, subtle curves, and a front panel that means business. But the second you hit play, you realize Edifier wasn't trying to impress your eyes, they were aiming straight for your ears. Each MR4 packs a 4-inch composite woofer and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, powered by a 42-watt Class D amplifier. That combination delivers sound that's crisp, open, and way more accurate than you'd expect at this price. The mids, warm and full. The highs, clear but never harsh. You can switch between 2 modes: monitor mode, which gives you a flat, analytical sound for editing, and music mode, which opens up the tone with a touch of life and warmth for casual listening. It's like having 2 personalities in one pair: serious engineer by day, chill music lover by night. Sure, the MR4 won't rumble your walls. There's a natural roll-off around 60 Hz, so don't expect sub-bass explosions. But that's the point. These monitors are about truth, not theatrics. They tell you exactly what's in your mix, even if it hurts a little, and that's why creators love them. Whether you're editing podcasts, producing beats in your bedroom, or finally upgrading from those plastic desktop speakers, the MR4 gives you clarity without the clinical coldness. If we're being picky, the EQ knobs are a little subtle, and there's no Bluetooth or digital input here. This is an all-analog setup. But once you start listening, you won't miss the extras. These are the kind of monitors that make you say, wait, was that sound always in the track? The Edifier MR4, honest, humble, and ridiculously good for the money. Number 6, Edifier R1280DB, the everyday performer. Moving up to number 6, we've got the Edifier R1280DB, a speaker that's basically the MR4's more flexible older sibling. It takes that same warm, natural sound and says, let's add a little convenience. You get Bluetooth, optical, and coaxial inputs, so whether you're connecting a TV, a laptop, or your phone, these speakers are ready for anything. They're powered, no external amp needed, and together they push 42 watts RMS of smooth, room-filling sound. The tone of the R1280DB is cozy and textured, like a favorite vinyl record. It's not trying to be razor-sharp. Instead, it's musical. The mid-bass is rich and punchy, which gives body to vocals and acoustic instruments, while the silk dome tweeters add that gentle sparkle on top. Build quality? Impressive for the price. The wood grain finish looks timeless, and the controls on the side let you fine-tune bass and treble by feel. Want to switch tracks or adjust volume from across the room? There's a remote. Simple. No app nonsense, just tactile control. The only real drawback? If you're a bass head, you'll want a subwoofer to complete the low end. But for most people, from casual listeners to small studio creators, the R1280DB hits that sweet spot between accuracy and warmth. It's approachable, musical, and versatile, a speaker you can live with every single day. Number 5. Edifier R1280DBS, the feature-packed overachiever. Now this is where things start getting interesting. At number 5, we've got the Edifier R1280DBS, the upgraded version that fixes nearly every limitation of the previous model. And the best part? These speakers have a sub-out port. That means you can drop in your favorite subwoofer, and the built-in crossover automatically reroutes the frequencies, giving you a true 2.1 system. For the first time at this price, you can actually feel the kick drum instead of just hearing it. The R1280DBS pushes 42 watts of continuous power with zero distortion, even when you crank it. The 13mm silk tweeter delivers delicate highs, while the 4-inch mid-bass driver gives you texture and warmth. Play Fleetwood Mac's Landslide, and you'll hear every breath of the vocal. Then switch to the Mandalorian soundtrack, and the soundstage suddenly feels cinematic. They even throw in every cable you could need: RCA, optical, coaxial, plus a handy remote that lets you switch between inputs or toggle the sound field spatializer on the fly. Are there flaws? Sure. The EQ knobs don't make dramatic changes, and the spatializer effect can muddy vocals if overused. But for the price, usually around $130, the feature list is absurdly generous. This is the kind of speaker that does everything well. TV, console, studio, PC, plug it in, and you're good to go. The R1700BTS is the everyday workhorse that still knows how to impress. Number 4. Edifier R1700BT. The warm charmer. Sliding into the number 4 spot, the Edifier R1700BT is where sound starts to get truly expressive. This pair doesn't just play your music, it performs it. The first thing you'll notice is the 10-degree angled design. The cabinets literally lean the sound toward you, hitting that perfect sweet spot whether you're at a desk or sitting back on a couch. Inside, you've got 19mm dome tweeters and 4-inch bass drivers driven by an internal amp pushing 15 times 2 plus 18 times 2 watts RMS. Sonically, it's classic Edifier. Rich mids, smooth highs, and a sense of warmth that makes vocals sound alive. Guitar strings shimmer, snares snap, and that mid-range clarity, that's where these really shine. Play a bit of Norah Jones or Coldplay, and the R1700BT makes everything feel intimate, like the artist's right there in the room. There's a little extra bass presence sometimes, too much if you're in a small space, but it adds a fun, full-bodied tone that's easy to love. Bluetooth 4.0 keeps it convenient, while dual RCA inputs let you hook up a turntable, mixer, or even your TV. The remote is basic but responsive, and the walnut vinyl finish looks far more expensive than it is. Critics often say the bass can get boomy and the treble a bit shy, but here's the truth. These are speakers built to be enjoyed, not analyzed. They make you feel your music, not just measure it. If the R1280 series was about value, the R1700BT is about emotion. It's for the listener who wants their room to sound alive, warm, musical, and a little bit romantic. Number 3. Edifier R1700BTS, the smart successor. If the R1700BT felt warm and soulful, the R1700BTS takes that same DNA and tunes it with precision. Think of it as the moment your favorite band finally starts recording in high resolution. Everything sounds tighter, cleaner, and somehow more alive. You still get that familiar Edifier shape and walnut finish, but under the hood, it's a full-blown upgrade Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm aptX HD, dual RCA inputs, and even a sub-out that kicks in automatically the moment you connect a woofer. At 66 watts total output, these have no problem filling a room. The 19mm silk dome tweeter paints crisp, airy highs, while the 4-inch woofer keeps the mids natural and the bass confident. But the secret weapon is Edifier's sound field spatializer. It subtly widens your stereo image, making vocals breathe and instruments stretch out like they're performing live in front of you. Drop on some jazz or a cinematic soundtrack and you'll catch yourself turning your head, wondering where that extra shimmer came from. Use them for a desk setup, a TV, or even as travel companions. Reviewers have hauled these to hotels and back, just because they can't stand leaving that sound behind. They're not perfect. There's no USB input, and the long interspeaker cable can be awkward for tight desks. But if you crave the sweet spot between clarity and comfort, the R1700BTS deliver it with style. It's the kind of sound that makes you stop working, close your eyes, and just listen. Number 2. Yamaha HS4, the mini studio legend. Sliding into number 2 is the Yamaha HS4, the compact descendant of the world-famous HS series monitors that have shaped more hit records than you can imagine. These are the truth-tellers of the list. No sugarcoating, no coloration, just pure accuracy. Each HS4 packs a 4.5-inch woofer and 1-inch dome tweeter, powered by its own bi-amped Class D design. Yamaha's engineers tuned them for a flat frequency response from 60 Hz up to 22 kHz, meaning what you hear is exactly what's in the mix, nothing more, nothing less. In a small studio or bedroom, they're phenomenal. Vocals sit right where they should, guitars cut clean through, and reverb tails shimmer without turning harsh. The room control and high trim switches on the back let you tailor the sound to your space, reduce that bass boom from your desk, or add a touch of brightness if your room sounds dull. Sure, they don't rumble like subwoofers, but that's by design. You mix on these, and your music will translate everywhere from phones to clubs. They're lightweight, built like little tanks, and dressed in Yamaha's signature matte black with the iconic white cone that just looks like a studio. If you're a content creator, beatmaker, or YouTuber who wants to know what your sound truly is, the HS4 is the monitor that will keep you honest. Plug them in once, and you'll instantly hear why Yamaha remains the industry's benchmark for reference sound. Number 1. Audioengine HD6, the luxury finale. And here it is, the crown jewel of this lineup, the Audioengine HD6. If every other speaker on this list feels like a great recording studio, the HD6 feels like being inside the music itself. Hand-built with real wood veneers or a deep gloss finish, the HD6 looks like it belongs in an art gallery, but it's the sound that steals the show. A powerful Class AB amplifier pushing 150 watts, 5.5-inch Kevlar woofers, and 1-inch silk tweeters give you a soundstage that's not just big, it's breathtaking. You get Bluetooth-apt XHD streaming up to 24-bit quality, optical and RCA inputs, a solid aluminum remote, and cables for every connection imaginable. And even though they're wireless, the sound carries that unmistakable analog warmth like a perfectly restored vinyl record. Critics say they're polite, maybe a little too refined, but that's exactly what makes them addictive. They don't shout, they sing. You can listen for hours without fatigue, discovering new layers in songs you thought you already knew. The Audioengine HD6 isn't just a speaker, it's the full-grown embodiment of what great sound feels like. A finale worthy of number 1. So there you have it, 7 studio monitors that prove you don't need $1 million studio to hear music the way it was meant to be heard. From the humble MR4s that punch way above their price, to the handcrafted HD6s that blur the line between home audio and high-end mastering, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive gear reviews, and drop a comment below which of these would you want sitting on your desk right now. Because great sound isn't a luxury anymore, it's a choice. And now, you know which ones are worth making.